am Dr. Kurlanski, and I want to say if you're undergoing treatment for fungal toenails, whether you're doing laser or oral medication or even just topicals, treating your shoes is really important during this process. Because basically what you're doing is you're putting your nice clean nails and feet back into your dirty shoes. So I have a couple of ways, actually 3 ways here of addressing that. So one is we have this shoe spray called Clean Sweep. And basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your insert out of your shoe, your sock liner. This is my orthotic. And then I'm gonna spray my orthotic and spray my shoe too as well. And then I'm gonna put the insert back in here, but I'm gonna put it in here kind of sideways so that it dries out. So that's one way to do it. The other way, which I really like too, is I have these lights, basically these UV lights. It's called the Shoe Zap. There's another one called the Clean Sweep. But basically it's using UV light to treat your shoes. So what you would do is you'd put this in your shoe, put your shoe in the bag, seal up the bag, and then flip the switch on. And then it takes about 15 minutes to have your shoes sanitized. If you're young or if you're sweaty or you're playing sports or you just have your feet get really damp, these aren't going to dry it out. So what I do recommend are some cedar dry bags. These work really well. So before you maybe do the shoe zap or spray them, you want to, of course, dry them. So basically you take this cedar bag, and it's really kind of cool. They're tied together so you don't lose them. And then you put one in one shoe and then one in the other. So what this does is overnight you can dry out your shoes. And in an ideal world, if you had this and they were wet and then you wanted to sanitize them, you could use the shoe zap the next day. And this only takes 15 minutes to sanitize them. I know this may seem like a lot, but what happens is if your shoes or your socks get wet, they kind of, the fungus gets into the sock material and then it gets into your shoe. So basically, if you feel like you keep getting athlete's foot or your toenails keep getting reinfected, this may be why. So I think it's really important to treat the environment so you're not wasting your time putting topicals on or doing the laser treatment.